Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about how to make money online. So if you're looking to start a side hustle to make some extra cash, or if you want to learn how to completely change your life like I did, then this video is going to be for you. From the realm of affiliate marketing to freelancing, product selling, online surveys, teaching, coaching, and blogging, we're going to leave no stone unturned in this video. So immerse yourself in our comprehensive journey as we reveal step-by-step techniques to choose your niche, navigate the digital landscape, allure targeted audiences, and optimize your conversions for extraordinary success. Along the way, you'll be inspired by tales of triumph from ordinary people like us who transcended their circumstances and transformed their lives through these very methods. And this isn't just a guide, it's an invitation to seize the opportunity that awaits you in this vast online world. But before we dive into any details, let me tell you a bit about my own journey. Not long ago, I was stuck in a dead-end job, struggling to make ends meet as a blue-collar contractor. I had my own business and had to deal with every aspect of running the business. I was tired and completely burned out from dealing with all the hassle in terms of the hard labor, the difficult customers, the rough estimations, and all the rest of the stuff. After 6 years of running my own business, I hit a wall and I was completely and totally and utterly burnt out. I woke up hating my job every day and resenting that I chose this path. However, everything changed when I stumbled upon Legendary Marketer's 15-day challenge, a course that taught me about something called affiliate marketing. But the first thing is to understand what affiliate marketing actually is. Affiliate or digital marketing is a powerful business model that allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services online. To put it in a nutshell, companies want to sell more products and increase their recognition, so they offer deals in the form of a special URL link to their product that is made especially for you. If you get people to purchase that company's products through your unique URL, the company will know that you're the one that sent them and give you a commission. The commissions are different for every product and service. Some are only a few bucks and some are thousands of dollars or more. And the best part is that you don't need to create your own products, deal with shipping and handling, or handle customer support at all. And really, all you need to get started is a laptop, an internet connection, and most importantly, the willingness to learn and actually take action. Okay, so now let's delve into the details of how it helped me and what are some steps that can help you earn money through affiliate marketing. The first step is to choose a niche that you want to work in. This means selecting a niche or a product that resonates with your interests and passions. By picking something that resonates with you, you'll enjoy the journey more and ensure sustainability in the long run. Because by aligning your niche with your interests, you can significantly enhance your commitment and enthusiasm to the project. So once you've identified your niche, it's time to research and choose a few reputable affiliate programs. And as usual, when you're researching, start with Google. So let's say you want to be an affiliate for and promote products on Amazon. So you'd Google something like Amazon Affiliate Program. Or let's say you like a software. You'd Google X Software Affiliate Program. Now, not all companies offer affiliate programs, and some you'll have to apply for. But there are tons of companies out there that want affiliates working on their behalf. Look for businesses offering products or services relevant to your niche, and then explore their commission structures, track records, and support systems to ensure that the partnership would be worth your time. This is your foundation for building your profitable online business. And with your niche and affiliate programs in place, it's essential to establish an online presence. For that, create a website or a blog that serves as your platform for connecting with your audience, and then share content, product reviews, and information that might resonate with the niche's target market. Because building an online presence is absolutely critical to attracting and engaging an audience effectively. And the next step is driving targeted traffic to your website. So you need to explore various strategies, such as search engine optimization, otherwise known as SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, and even paid advertising to attract the right audience to your platform. So by understanding your audience and implementing certain techniques, you can maximize your chances that your audience will purchase the products that you chose. Now, the next level of affiliate marketing is building an email list. An email list is another important aspect of affiliate marketing. With an email list, you can capture leads and nurture relationships with your audience. And this enables you to promote relevant products and generate recurring income. With an email list, you'll build a loyal, trusting audience. And the meat and potatoes of affiliate marketing is to focus on creating compelling content. So for that, craft high quality, engaging content that adds value to your audience's lives, whether it be videos on YouTube, TikTok, or any other platform, or good compelling emails, a juicy blog, or any other means to spread content. This helps you establish trust, authority, and a loyal following. Keep in mind that the quality of your content plays a significant role in attracting and retaining your audience. And lastly, optimizing conversion rates is the final step in mastering affiliate marketing. And for that, you should continuously analyze your data and optimize your marketing campaigns to maximize your conversion rates. Build a funnel and use split testing, track analytics, and refine your strategies to improve your results. While these steps may initially seem overwhelming, it's important to remember that success in affiliate marketing is built on consistent effort, continuous learning, and never giving up. Many people, like me, began their journeys as blue-collar workers or laborers or 9-to-5 office workers, but managed to break free from the constraints of that life, all thanks to the transformative power of programs like Legendary Marketer's 15-Day Challenge. And now, if you're ready to take the leap and start learning the process of affiliate marketing, including step-by-step practical instructions, click the link in the description down below to access Legendary Marketer's 15-day challenge for just $7. And as I told you earlier, the folks at Legendary will give you step-by-step guidance as well as one-on-one mentorship, just like they did for me. So after clicking on the link, just answer a few questions, pay the $7, and start learning. Now, let's get into a few more ways to make money online, as there are tons of other ways to earn money online. So let's explore some methods. The first one is freelancing. It's one of the most common ways these days to earn money online. So how does it work? Freelancing allows you to offer your skills and services to clients on a project-per-project basis. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, a web developer, or have any other valuable skills, you can sign up on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. For that, I recommend creating a portfolio showcasing your previous work, bidding on potential products, and delivering high-quality work to build a strong reputation and secure repeat business. You can also find tons of resources, both free and paid, to learn one of these skills. And of course, you get better as you go. And another profitable way of making money online is by selling products. Whether physical or digital, selling product can generate substantial income. And popular platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy offer access to a vast customer base. Alternatively, you can build your own e-commerce website using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. This allows you to source or create products, optimize your product listings, and market your products through social media, content marketing, and paid advertising similar to affiliate marketing. And for those looking for a simpler way to earn a little bit of money, participating in online surveys can also be an option. There are legitimate survey websites that pay you for your opinions. Some survey websites may offer additional opportunities even, such as focus groups or product testing for regulars. And then teaching and coaching online can be highly profitable if you have specialized knowledge or skills. And platforms like Udemy provide a place for creating and selling online courses. Alternatively, you can offer one-on-one coaching or tutoring services, and by identifying an area of expertise, developing engaging course materials or coaching programs, and effectively marketing your services through social media and content marketing, you can attract students or clients. Next up is blogging and content creation, as they've become popular ways to monetize online presence. So by selecting a specific niche or your area of interest, you can set up a blog using platforms like WordPress, Blogger, or Squarespace, and consistently publishing high-quality blog posts, articles, or videos that provide value. You can implement display advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products or services to turn your blog into a money-making endeavor after you get an audience. So remember that success in any of these methods requires serious dedication, continuous learning, and adaptability. Choose the path that resonates with your interests and skills, and take consistent action to master the art of making money online. And to give you a personal note, don't let your current circumstances limit your dreams. Embrace the opportunities of the online world and unlock your full earning potential, as the path to financial freedom begins with taking that first step. So start today and join the ranks of successful online entrepreneurs who have turned their dreams into reality. Thanks so much for staying with me till the end of this comprehensive guide to mastering the art of making money online. If you found this information empowering or helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more practical tips and strategies to make money online. And if you're ready to start your journey into making money online to change your situation like I did for just $7, check out the link below to Legendary Marketer's 15-day challenge. It's going to blow your mind. And of course, your support means a lot to us. So please show your appreciation by liking this video and sharing it with others who might benefit from it. And if you have any questions or want to share your personal experiences, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.